Okay, what we need to do is today we will going to start the costing variance. So in the costing variance, all of you, you just need to understand why we need to use this costing variance. Okay, and what is the basic concept behind that, and how the accumulation process will be happened, and what is the certain comprehensive methods that we have, and at the same time why we need to use this to precise the particular values like um, price base calculations and price base percentage calculations and price predictions. Okay, these things are mandatory first of all, and before we do anything, first you need to have the costing sheets. Based on the costing sheets, you can able to have this costing variance. Okay, so this is the basic version for the SAP for HANA. Okay, all of you. So now what we need to do is this is the introduction to the costing variant. Okay, so can you share your, I mean, go to the SAP system and log in into the SAP system. Okay, what we need to do is all of you. So after completion of this costing sheets, okay, and we will start the new concept. So which is costing variant. Okay, so go to the Word document and see the introduction of this particular costing variant is that there are four types of costing variants, all of you. Yeah, so there are four types of costing variants. What we need to do is just write down costing variant. Uh, I done the separate heading, I mean separate subpoint, which is costing variant. Costing variant. Make it as a bold one. Make it as a bold one. Yeah. So what we need to do is there are four types of costing variants. Yeah. Types of costing variants. Write down types of costing variant. Huh. First one is costing type. First one is costing type. Second one is valuation variant. Second one is valuation variant. Third one is data control. Third one is data control. And fourth one is quantity structure control. Fourth one is quantity structure control. So basically, all of you, um, whenever you're having the integrated modules like material management, sales and distributions, and product planning, and as well as the quality management and all, these four types of costing variants are very, very important to establish a certain costing sheets for that particular product. Okay, so here, what do you mean by costing type? So costing type is nothing but it's a one type of costing which is related to the standard costings. Okay, then what is the valuation variant? How the basically in this valuation variant in the material management in transaction code MM02, you have seen the things very well. That means you have the standard price and you have the moving average price. Whenever you are having all these things, you are mentioning the price with standard, you are mentioning the price with moving average. Okay, so when it comes to this valuation variant, how the materials are valuated, you have to know it. For example, a price as on date, monthly average price, and average price for the particular year. Okay, and the sequence in which the material price is to be fetched. Okay, that is the most important point right now we have. The next one is data control. So data controls basically determines the validity of the standard price that is calculated through the costing run. Okay, I'm repeating once again. This data control determines the validity of the standard price that is calculated through the costing run. You got my point, right? And when it comes to the quantity structure control, it controls the bill of materials and it controls the routing. So what you have entered in the bill of materials and routings, okay, routing concept you have seen it, bill of material concept also you have seen it. So whenever we adjust with these two things, that should be coming into this quantity structure control. So these all are the four types of costing variants, okay, in the product costing. So how we are configured these costing variants? Okay, so configuration of costing variant is very, very important. Just write down now, configuration of costing variant. Configuration of costing variant. Configuration of costing variant. Okay, the first one is a defined costing variant. First one is defined costing variant. First point is that defined costing variant. Okay, I will give you the navigation path for this defined costing variant. Defined costing variant. Yeah, go to the SAP system, SPRO. SPRO, reference IMG. SPRO, reference IMG. Then next one is controlling. Controlling. Then product cost controlling. Product cost controlling. The next one is product cost planning. Product cost planning. And material cost estimate with the quantity structure. Material cost estimate with quantity structure. Second one. So the next one, define costing variance. Define costing variance. So here, all of you, so these are all the costing variants and all. Okay. So what we need to do is click on the new address now, and we will try to create the costing variants. Okay. Just give LTV1, laptop costing variant 1, LTV1, and LT costing variant, LT costing variant, LT costing variant. And after that, you have the costing type, that is open that drop down option. This is the standard cost estimation. And the valuation variant is a planned valuation material standard. Okay, planned valuation material standard, and the data control is standard control estimation per month. Yeah, take out that one. The next one, quantity structure control, is standard quantity structure control 2. Okay, so this is the basic point. This all we have, all of you. Now what we need to do is, all of you, double click on this costing type now. Double click on this costing type. Costing type is there, right? Double click on it. Yeah. No. Here you have costing type, right? Double click on costing type. Double click on. Here you can just see the price update is standard price and the valuation view is a zero legal valuation. Okay, so this is the um, click on the save parameters. Click on the save parameters. Yeah. So now see here you have one more thing, all of you. The most important point is that in that valuation areas, how the price should be updated. So price should be updated based on which price, either it is standard price or moving average price. So that is very, very important. Okay, now what we need to do is mm, go to the miscellaneous. Go to the miscellaneous. Okay, right. So come back one step back. One step back. Here you have all of you. When it comes to valuation variant is there, right? Double click on valuation variant. In that valuation variant, so you can able to see the valuation variant with plant and what are all the strategic sequences that you have for the particular inclusion of activities costs. Okay, so these all are the strategic, strategy sequences. I can call it as a strategic things and all. So here, all of you, uh, here you have a valuation variant or plant, right? Go up, ma'am. Valuation variant and plant, right? Double click on it. So here you have a valuation variant and plant you have all of you. So whatever the planned valuations that you have for that particular variant, so you can able to know it with 001. Okay, so that is the most important point right now. We have. Valuation variant is there and valuation plant is there. What we need to do is here select 001 now. Go to the no here try to write down 001. Here it is not selecting. Okay, so go to the new address. Go to the new address. Give your plant. MEAL2. Yeah, go to the save button and save it. That's it. Yeah, continue. Continue. No need to create any requests and all. Okay, so basically all of you, if that particular parameters was not there for your plant, okay, so try to give the valuation with the help of valuation variant, try to give the plant. Okay, if that is not there, if it is there, there is no issue. If it is not there, and you need to give it all of you. Okay, so that is the most important point right now we have. Okay, now what we need to do is go to the overhead tab, ma'am. Go to the overhead tab. Here you need to have your own costing sheet. JAR costing sheet is there. Open that JAR costing sheet. Yeah. Take out LT costing sheet, ma'am. Take out LT costing sheet. It is not taking. Okay, good. No issue. Go to the save button and come back. So this has been updated. Okay, double click on this one. Double click on this one. So why it is not giving the costing sheets and all? basically you need to have this thing. Now it should, I mean, it should take the costing sheet, our own costing sheet. So, okay, what we need to do is go to the Saviden and save it. Nice. Sure. Go to the Saviden. Now it is taking a nice. Take out that one. LT costing sheet. In the costing sheet also overhead for the material components also take out LT costing sheets. Go to the Saviden and save it. So in the overheads, all of you, you should have this LD costing sheet. Why? Because you have the base, and I mean, you have the base price calculations only, and you have the overheads price calculations also for that particular costing sheet. So basically, whenever you are having the plant like this, okay, you need to have the LT costing sheets. What we need to do is take out this material valuation tab now. Take out this material valuation tab. In the material valuation tab, all of you, you should have some more details. Okay, like a plant price one, and the next one is a standard price you have, moving average price you have, the next price according to price controls materials you have. Okay, so you have all these things, and you need to have this strategy sequence. Okay, so this is the most important point. Okay, so that is the very important when it comes to the LT costing sheets and all. Okay, so what we need to do is save the details and come back. Nice. Come back here. Yeah, come back one step back. One step back. One step back. Here what we need to do is double click on data control, mom. Double click on data control. Double click on data control. So here, all of you, you need to have this current date, yes, and the maximum value, this one, I mean, like cost date from is current date, and the costing date to is maximum value, and quantity structure date is costing date from, okay, and valuation date is costing date from. Okay, this is so set the same thing. Okay, whatever the things that we have, you just need to select all these things in your same system. Okay, that is the most important point right now we have, or else I will show you. Go to the costing date from drop down option. So you have these things in all of you. Okay, so I'm taking current date, maximum value, and costing date from. Okay, so these things are mandatory when it comes to the particular thing. Okay, so all are perfect. What we need to do is come back, ma'am. Double click on the quantity structure control. Come back. No issue. Double click on quantity structure control. So in the quantity structure control, all of you, whenever you are having this bill of material application, okay, so you have the costing. Okay, open the double click on costing. Open that one. Yeah, so costing should be there, all of you, for the bill of material verifications and all. Okay, so yeah, take out that costing only, and that is the most important point. Here you have the routing also, but the routing is also same thing, all of you. Okay. Go to the routing, ma'am. Here in the routing, you have the routing selections and all. No. Routing tab. Okay, everything is perfect. Come back. No issue. Double click on quantity structure. Double click on quantity structure. No. Come back. Step back. Here, this is the control button. You have the quantity structure tab, right? So go to this quantity structure. So here you need to enter the details like pass on list sizes. Here you have no, and you need to give the always button. Here, go to the drop down option in the no. You have pass on size, right? Take out the always. Take out the always. And here you have only transfer this control can be changed. Tick mark on it. Tick mark on it. Now go to the update tab. Go to the update tab. Here, save error log. Select save error log and itemization. It's not selecting, or else saving allowed. Go to the saving allowed. Select saving allowed. Go up. Go up. The next save error log. Save error log. Then next one is itemization. Click on the enter notation. Click on the enter. Enter. No. Go to the quantity structure. You have okay. Go to the update. Now take out the itemization also. Take out the itemization. So these things are mandatory, all of you. Now we have defined this costing variant, and I mean, whenever you are entering all these details, it will just give you the one warning message. See, if you don't want to have this warning messages and all, what we need to do is we need to select the saving allowed. Okay, then that itemization could be the perfect thing. Okay, so what we need to do is go to the save button now and save it. Go to the save button and save it. So this costing sheet variant has been created, and go back to the Word document and just give costing sheet variant LTV1. This is the costing sheet variant we have, all of you. Okay. So this is the way you can able to create our own costing sheet variant. Okay. So